And then here they come. See how they come? Oh, they're going crazy.
I'm getting more of the fish than I am of you.
No, that's good. I think he wants the fish in the shot more anyway. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. And he said that if I hold it, they'll come to me. But I'm gonna try. Let's see.
It's very dark.
It's dark. Hey, baby. Oh. They took it.
Yeah, all I got was your hand and your knees because it's very dark in that corner.
Really? Let's try that again. Hi, baby. Yeah. Okay. He took it again. Okay.
He's not silly.